Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick, how to import data from a web page like Wikipedia directly into your Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to grab up-to-date tables and lists from almost any website and bring them straight into your spreadsheet. No copy-pasting, no formatting headaches. This can save you tons of time if you ever deal with research, project planning, or even just satisfying your curiosity about big data sets. So let's dive right in. Let's say you found a table of information online. Maybe you're looking at a list of countries and their populations on Wikipedia. Instead of manually selecting and copying that entire table, head on over to your Google Sheets and we'll use a built-in function to pull that data in automatically. First, open up your Google Sheet. Decide where you want your imported data to appear. The top left cell is usually a good spot, but you can really choose any blank cell. Go ahead and click to select it. This step is important because wherever your cursor is, that's where the data will start appearing, and you don't want to accidentally overwrite something important. Now, here's what you'll type into that cell. Equals IMPORTHTML, https://n Wikipedia, org/wiki/list of countries and dependencies by population, table 1. Let's break down what this formula is actually doing. IMPORTHTML is a special function built into Google Sheets. What it does is reach out to the web page you specify and automatically pull in a table or a list for you. Think of it like a little robot assistant, going out to fetch information so you don't have to do the heavy lifting. Inside the parentheses, we've got a few key pieces. The first one is the URL inside quotation marks. This tells Google Sheets exactly what web page to look at. In this case, it's the Wikipedia page for countries by population. Next, you have the word table, also in quotation marks. This tells the function you want to grab a table from that page, not a list, but a structured set of rows and columns, just like you see in Wikipedia's tables. If you ever want to import a bulleted or numbered list instead, you just type list here. Finally, the number 1. This can seem a little confusing, but it's basically saying, bring me the first table you find on this page. Some web pages have multiple tables. If you want the second one, you'd enter 2, and so on. Go ahead and hit enter. Google Sheets will start fetching the data. It may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection and how big the table is. You might also get a little pop-up asking you to allow access. That's totally normal. Just give Google Sheets permission and you're all set. What you should see next is the table from Wikipedia appearing right in your spreadsheet, neatly formatted and ready to work with. Remember, this data is live. If the numbers change on the Wikipedia page, your sheet will update automatically the next time it refreshes. That's a huge advantage if you need the most current info. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of data you'd import first, or if you hit any snags along the way. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, powerful Google Sheets tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.